Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get started with agent development kit, Google's agent development kit with Python. So yeah, let's start. So here I just have VS Code open, and here I'll just create one folder. I can name it anything. I'll just name it as first. It's up to you what you want to name it. Okay, and I'll just open it inside VS Code over here. Alright, I'll just remove this. Then I'll just cd to that particular folder inside my terminal. Then we just need to do couple of things like create a virtual environment with the help of Python. So I just do python 3 -m venv and env. So it will create the virtual environment for us. So let's just wait for a second. In the meantime, what you can do is you can go to aistudio.google.com/API key to generate an API key. Now I am not using a paid Gemini. I'm using the free tier 1. So you just have to click on create API key over here. Let's just select Gemini API. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, Gemini API, and just click on create API key in existing projects. So it has created the API key. I'll copy it later on. Okay, let's just copy it. I think it is still okay, it has created the virtual environment. So okay, let's just ignore. Then we need to do source env/bin/activate. Okay, then inside this we need to create another folder. This is very important. You need to create a separate folder inside your parent folder, otherwise things will not work for you. So I'll just name it as greeting. You can name it again whatever you feel like, but I'm just naming it as greeting given that this is just a simple project. Then I'll just cd into greeting. Okay, then we need to install few dependencies. So I'll just do pip install google-adk. okay, and after that we also need to install the python.env package as well. So let's just wait. Okay, in the meantime what I can do, I can just go to greeting and I will just create a .env file, and inside that you need to do couple of things. So first you need to write google_gen_ai_vertex ai equal to false. Okay, and the next one is google_api_key equal to. Now let's just copy our API key and I'll paste it over here, and I'll just do command S to save. Okay, so this is still not finished. Let's just wait. Also in the meantime we can just create another file called __init__.py, and inside this we'll just do from .import agent. Now we need to create this particular file agent. So I'll just create this file agent.py. Again, all these files are created inside the greetings folder, so be very careful. Now inside this I'll just do from google.adk.agents import agent. Okay, then we'll just create a root agent, root_agent equal to agent, and here firstly we need to give it a name. So I'll just change this to greeting. Now this is very important. Whatever is the name of your folder which you have created, same name you should write it over here, otherwise you will face issues. Now description, this agent greets the universe. This is fine. I don't require the language, so I'll just refactor this to a model, and here we will be writing the Gemini 2.5 flash model. That's what we are using. If you are using a different model, you will have to change the name over here. So Gemini-2.5-flash over here, and here you need to give it an instruction on what it needs to do. So I'll just type it as you are a helpful assistant. You can write it whatever you feel like over here. I'll just write it as you are a helpful assistant. Okay, I'll command S to save. So yeah, that's it. Now let's come back over here. We also need to install the python.env file, right? So I'll just do pip install python dash dot env, and I'll just click on enter. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, so this is done. Now let's run it. So to run this, you can just do adk web. So there are different commands of running this. I like to use the adk web because it gives a proper GUI to the user, so that they can exactly see what is happening. So yeah, let's just wait for this to finish setting up. So here you can see for local testing C localhost colon 8000. So I'll just copy this, I'll open a new tab, I'll paste it over here. So here it is asking fail to load agents to get ATP web in the folder that contains the agents. Select an agent. Is select an agent working? No. Just refresh this. Okay, this is not working. Let's try to do one thing. I'll just cd dot dot. Let's try to run it from here. Will it work? I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, it still works. I'll just refresh. Okay, it is still okay. So here you can see it is telling us select an agent. I'll select the greeting agent. That's what we created. So I can just type hi. So hopefully it should give me some reply, hello. Okay, so I can just ask him tell me about Lake Bell. So she's an actress, so I'll just type that out. So here you can see so this is how you can use agent development kit to get started. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Also, one more thing, if you want, you can run this pip. So I'll just cd to the greeting folder as well, and here you can just do pip freeze question this particular symbol greater than symbol requirements dot txt as well. So it should create a requirements.txt file for you, which is a good practice. So yeah, that's all there is. Thank you for watching. Bye.